Morning. Our summer has gone. Absolutely pissing it down. But we're back on the DJS project. My children's playhouse got delivered. So what we're going to try and do is put all these pieces together. And then hopefully then we can get it situated in this little area here. Generally, my office was easier to build than this. How you doing, everyone? The little playhouse is done. So not really 100% happy with it at the moment. I'm going to potentially put a palm thatch roof on it, just to give it a little bit more of a jungle theme. The centre part there, don't really like the colour, so I'll probably put some thatch in there as well. I'm definitely going to paint it a different colour just to dull it down a little bit. And then I'll probably put potentially a little downlight on that section there. Let me get a bit closer because the tree fern's in the way. Probably put a little bit of a downlight on there just so it makes it look quite pretty on a night. And then all in this section along here and round to that section. This will be a complete sand beach area, and just so my children can mess about, make sand castles and all that kind of stuff. And then eventually there'll be a rather large waterfall in this section with a nice little 6-inch deep pooling area, so the kids can have a little mess about around there, have a little bit of a kick about paddling there, and have a little bit of a play. So this little log I picked up, which will literally be a little seat, so once all the water features all done, that'll be a little butt chair, that'll be a butt chair as well, so it will look pretty damn cool. Thanks again all, and I'll see you on the next one.